and optimize traffic flow. High-tech cameras and scanners map every crack, identifying areas vulnerable to further degradation, even those invisible to the human eye, ensuring that even the smallest issues are addressed before they escalate. All this data streams to a central system, creating a detailed picture of road conditions, offering a comprehensive overview of the entire infrastructure network. The amount of information is massive, far too much for humans to analyze alone, requiring sophisticated algorithms to make sense of it all. That's where AI comes in, spotting patterns and problems before they become disasters, allowing for timely interventions and preventing costly repairs. Instead of waiting for damage, we can act early, addressing potential issues before they impact drivers and communities. Smart roads mean fewer surprises and safer journeys, ensuring smoother traffic flow and reducing the risk of accidents. The technology is here, and it's already transforming cities worldwide, paving the way for more efficient and sustainable urban environments. Our roads are finally ready to talk, and we're ready to listen, ushering in a new era of intelligent infrastructure management. With AI analyzing billions of data points, we can finally predict road problems before they happen. Machine learning finds hidden links between traffic, weather, materials, and cracks. The AI learns what early warning signs look like, just like a doctor spotting symptoms. It can alert maintenance crews months before a pothole forms, saving time and money. Repairs become quick and cheap, not massive and disruptive. AI also helps design better roads from the start, recommending the best materials for each location. Smarter design means longer-lasting roads and fewer repairs. The result? Safer, more reliable infrastructure for everyone. AI is now the ultimate advisor for building and maintaining our roads. Imagine roads that not only guide us, but also think for themselves. AI-powered roads are not just a futuristic concept, they're a practical solution that saves money. These intelligent systems work proactively by catching problems early, before they escalate into costly repairs. This allows for efficient resource allocation and stretching every maintenance dollar further than ever before. But the biggest benefit, without a doubt, is safety. Fewer potholes mean fewer accidents, reducing the risk of damage and injury. This translates to safer trips for everyone, from daily commutes to long-distance travel, providing peace of mind on every journey. Smarter maintenance also means less construction, minimizing disruptions and delays. This leads to less pollution, reduced traffic congestion, and a smaller carbon footprint overall. By embracing these technologies, our roads become more sustainable and environmentally friendly, contributing to a healthier planet. The future is even brighter, with possibilities we're only beginning to explore. Imagine a world where smart roads could soon communicate seamlessly with self-driving cars. This interconnectedness will help manage traffic in real time, optimizing flow and reducing congestion. We're just beginning this journey, but the potential is immense. Even in these early stages, the impact is already huge, and it's only going to grow. By giving roads a voice and a brain, we're empowering them to make our lives better. Ultimately, we're building smarter, safer cities for generations to come. The humble road is evolving, becoming a vital and integrated part of tomorrow's connected world. With AI, our infrastructure works proactively for us, anticipating our needs and responding intelligently. It's about keeping us safe, saving money through efficient resource management, and protecting the planet for future generations. The road ahead has never looked smarter, more promising, or more sustainable.